Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope you guys are having another awesome day. It's Rick coming back at you, and oh my goodness, has it been a fantastic start to November so far. We've had a lot of great deals on investments. We saw Tesla completely dump Monday and Tuesday, but now it's starting to climb back up. And then, of course, it is crypto season for the next 2 or 3 months. So hopefully you got started in crypto at the beginning of this month because it's only up from here. And what I want to talk about today is the importance of taking profit in your investments, because this is something that a lot of people, they don't do, and they end up leaving a lot of money on the table. And so you want to make sure that you have exit strategies for all of your investments. And here's the example I'll give you. It doesn't matter if you're in the stock market or if you're in cryptocurrency or if you are in real estate. What's going to happen is you're going to see a pump on your investment. It could be 20%, 30%, 40% cryptos. I've seen, 300% and sometimes even more. And what'll happen is people will hold on to those assets and say, we're only getting started right now. I'm going to continue to hold, which, okay, I understand that, but here's usually what happens after we see that big bullish climb is you'll start to see it retract a little bit. So we'll continue with the crypto example. You might see a crypto that goes up 300%, and then all of a sudden, within a couple of short weeks, it's retracted itself down, 100%, 200%, 250%. And what that essentially means is if you didn't pull your money out at that 300% gain, you're now losing money every single day in your profit margins that you're holding onto it after that. So what would have been a 300% gain might now only turn into a 25% gain or a 50% gain or a 100% gain. And so people have a fear of missing out, so they'll keep their investment into there and not take profits on their investment. When it comes to wealth, you want to know and understand the importance of pulling profits, because then what you can do is you can use those profits to invest into other assets and duplicate the process itself. So I did something that you guys are going to be like, you are a lunatic. Why would you do this? It doesn't make any sense. And this is something I didn't think would truly ever happen, to be honest with you, because I was in love with this stock and I still am. It was the Apple stock. So I invested into Apple stock back when the pandemic hit, because it was obviously tanking pretty hard because of the uncertainty in the economy. And when I bought it, I was fortunate enough to participate in the split, and I was just dead set on, I'm going to hold this stock. I'm not ever going to sell it. Well, I started to look at the charts for what was going on with crypto, and I knew that it was the season, or the quarter, I should say, where we're going to start seeing massive gains in the crypto market. So right now, I was up about 30% of my initial investment on Apple alone. And so I actually pulled all of my money out of Apple and I put it into Bitcoin. And this is something that you want to look at for your investments too. The reason why I did it is because of the percentage gains that I'm going to see over the next 3 months. So ideally, what I expect to see is the money that I pulled out of Apple, I've now reinvested it into another asset, crypto, which is going to have bigger gains percentage-wise. Now, when the quarter ends and we start to see that, okay, the crypto has completely Bitcoin has completely just plateaued. Now it's time for you to pull profits on that and then move it again. So this is something important for you investors to understand, is you want to pull profits while profits are there. There's no point in you holding on to a bag and you just losing a massive percentage of the gains that you just got, because that's completely counteracting why you got invested in the first place. So this is something that, again, for me, a lot of you are going to be like, this is crazy. Why would you do this? But that's how you win the game of investing, is you pull profits from one of your investments, use those profits, put into another investment that's going to gain you a higher percentage rate of return, and then you pull the profits on that too. So I hope that this video helped you guys. Again, thank you guys so much for the continued support that these videos have been getting over the past 2 weeks. We've seen a massive explosion on this channel. If you have not smash that subscribe button, definitely do so. Always coming at you with content to uplift yourself, to change that mindset, to create more wealth and abundance in your life, and give you some practical advice to help you win at the investing game. So again, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.